Hello, everybody. It's 9:45. My class is supposed to start at 9:30. I'm waiting for my students to connect. I start the recording. I'm gonna wait 5 more minutes, and if nobody else shows, like if nobody shows, I just will show you my material that I have here for present the class. This is our week 6, is November 6, 2024. This is our learning objectives. I have some rules, the warm up, false of true activity, our reading, the slides to develop the false of true activity, a reading strategic, and the ABCD questions, right? So I'm going to go ahead, just leave the recording for 5 more minutes and just waiting. If nobody else connect, this is my evidence that I was ready to give the class. Thank you so much.
Hello, teacher.
Sorry. Hi, Julie. Can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Hi. How you doing?
I'm fine, and you, teacher?
Doing great. Thank you so much. Okay. So let's go start. This is our week 6. We're going to talk about intelligent footballers. Our learning objective is that we're going to develop our reading comprehension through like multiple activities. And as always, we have a couple rules. We're going to maintain respect and courtesy. We're going to try to active participate. We're going to try to follow my instructions, use technology responsible, and communicate clearly and respectfully. Si digo algo muy rápido, si digo algo que no entiendas, que no comprendas, just let me know. Y pues lo podemos solucionar, ¿ok? Yo te lo repito con todo el amor del mundo. So this is our first activity. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna, I'm gonna share this picture with you, and you're going to try to match the correct answer in the sentence, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so the idea is that you do it slowly, que lo hagas pues despacio, pero que lo hagas a conciencia, ¿cierto? Entonces, la recomendación que yo les doy es que si, por ejemplo, en la primera, como que sabes la primera, pero la segunda no te cuadra muy bien, entonces que sigas con la tercera y con la cuarta, pues mirando cómo ir tachando las palabritas que ya has usado. Y pues así va sacando como por deducción. Let me know when you finish and we can share and complete the answers together, ¿ok? Me dejas saber cuando termines, yo voy a estar aquí y me dices ya para socializar las respuestas, ¿listo?
Okay. Teacher, I think.
F. I always talk with my microphone off. I'm sorry. That's amazing. Okay. So who come up with the best? Who can come up with
An answer to these questions.
answer to this question? Did you
One.
No. Here you will use pass. Why? Porque cuando le preguntamos a alguien si pasó el examen, si pasó la materia, si pasó, si me entendés, como que si lo logró aprobar, the best or failed, ¿cierto? Como que si pasaste bien o pasaste pues fallándolo, pasaste como reprobando o pasaste con una buena nota. Ed, enter a singing.
Competition.
Competition, perfect.
And won first prize.
Won, perfect, because en este caso sí usaríamos el término ganar. Mathematicians try to
no sé la pronunciación.
No, en este caso tú usarías break, porque ellos intentarían como romper o como penetrar el código del enemigo, ¿ok? Porque exchange lo vas a necesitar para esta. Porque tú, my cousin and I exchange a few text messages. ¿Cierto? Entonces, si empiezas a tachar las palabritas que vas necesitando, vas a darte cuenta que pues que aquí no podías usar exchange. I searched the Amazon website, perfect. But I couldn't find the book I was looking for. My cousin and I exchanged a few text messages, then had an interesting
conversation.
Perfect. Do you have any question about this vocabulary?
No.
Okay. Entonces, era lo que pues, te decía al comienzo. A veces cuando tenemos actividades así, y si te topas con actividades así en el TOEFL, que es un examen para verificar nuestro inglés, o en exámenes de la universidad, o por ejemplo cuando tengamos que presentar el examen al final de la carrera, es muy importante como tomarnos el tiempo e ir tachando en este tipo de actividades, como ir tachando, ir mirando y entonces hacerlas todas primero, mirar cuáles machean mejor y pues como analizarlo bien. You did amazing, congrats. Let's keep going with our second activity. So we're going to read a text about the RoboCup, that is like robots playing soccer. And we're going to keep these questions in our head, ¿ok? Vamos a leer un texto acerca de una competencia de robots y vamos a tener estas dos oraciones muy presentes, ¿ok? Porque vamos a mirar si son verdaderas o falsas. Entonces, la primera es que RoboCup takes place every year, que si la Robocopa se juega todos los años. Y la segunda es, there is 12 countries produce very strong teams, que si hay 12 countries, 12 países produciendo equipos realmente fuertes, ¿cierto? Entonces, let's go ahead. I'm gonna put it big. So what we're gonna do is that you're gonna read it aloud. Quiero que lo leas en voz alta, teniendo esas dos oracioncitas pues presentes. Y ya me dices si respondemos y socializamos las respuestas. ¿Listo?
Okay. Robocop or Robocop? Teacher. The pronouncing the
Robocop.
Robocop. Okay. Robocop is a football competition that has taken place every year since 1997, but the players are not human, they are robots. The competition's full name is Robot Soccer World Cup, and the aim is to create, by the middle of the first century, a team of robot footballers that are able to play against and best the winners of the real World Cup. In order for robots to play football, robotics campaigns have had a developed special technologies. A robot can just run onto the field and start kicking the ball. So each robot is fitted or fit with a webcam which is connected to a computer inside the robot. The robot is able to see where the other players are, where the goal is, and most importantly, where the ball is. They are programmed to make their own decisions, and during the match, the robots creators are not allowed to tell them what to do. The robots are, however, able to communicate with other members of their team via a wireless network. They might, for example, communicate a message like this to a teammate: I'm nearest the ball. I'm going to kick, you go and defend the goal. They know who to pass and how best to get the ball past an opponent. Australian, German, and American teams dominate the competitions through terms from 12 countries complete at the last tournament. There is a long way to go before robots will be able to compete against humans. They need to become more intelligent and become able to react more quickly and participate in the game. But the technologies that are being developed for scoring goals have to other use as well. It may be possible to develop robots that can be used in reach and resource. For example, filling people trapped in buildings after earthquakes. They may not be as fun to watch as real footballers, but alas, they don't demand enormous salaries. Yeah.
Perfect. So it's pretty interesting, right? It's crazy how they want to create like robots and make them play soccer. So what do you think? RoboCup takes place every year? True or false?
Yes.
Yeah, it's true, right? Because here I say, RoboCup is a football competition that takes place every year since 1997. Amazing, since I born. Second, 12 countries produce very strong teams. True or false?
It's false.
It is false because here they say develop example finding people where they need to become more intelligent, participate. Here, Australia, German and American teams dominate the competition. Ahí ellos sí mencionan aquí las 12 países, pero dicen que son 12 países los que compiten, no que tienen equipos muy fuertes. Perfect. So I share with you in the chat this document that says RoboCup. The idea is that you read it again by yourself, como que lo leas para ti misma las veces que lo necesites. Te voy a dar 15 minutos hasta las 10:20. Nuestro Reading Strategic dice que in multiple choice questions, the correct option will match the meaning of the text but use different words. It is therefore important not automatically assume that multiple choice options which contains words from the text is the correct. Dice que nuestras respuestas con opción múltiple, la opción que mejor machea es la que tiene a veces el mismo significado pero diferentes palabras que en el texto. A veces nos dan estas palabritas tricky que están igualitas en el texto, pero nos cambian uno o dos detalles que hacen que la respuesta sea incorrecta. Por tal motivo es importante leer despacio y como analizarlo bien. Entonces, go ahead. Do you have any questions about this activity?
No, teacher.
Okay, so let's go ahead. You do it, and I'll be back in 15 minutes so you can have the time to do it, okay? A las 10:22. Volvemos y empezamos para que ya socialicemos. ¿Listo? Okay, how you doing? Do you want more time or did you finish? If you need a little bit more time, I can give you a little bit more, a couple more minutes. Si necesitas un poquito más de minuticos, te los puedo dar con todo el amor, no hay problema. O si ya terminaste, las podemos pues, socializar.
Yes, teacher. Socialice.
Ya las terminaste, listo. So, number one, the movement of each robot is controlled by A, the fans of each team, B, itself, C, the captain of the team, D, the owner of the robot.
I think the option D.
D, the owner. Well, if we go here, can run a robot we can connect with the robot disable players, improve the power program design. Here, creators are not allowed to tell them what to do. The robots are, however, able to communicate with other members to them. ¿Cierto? Entonces aquí dice que los creadores no les pueden decir qué hacer. Aquí abajito. They are programmed to make their own decisions, and during the match, the robot's creators are not allowed to tell them what to do. Entonces, sería itself. El robot tomaría la decisión de moverse por sí mismo. ¿Ok? During the match, the robots can communicate with A, any other robot on the pitch, B, the people who create them, C, the robots in the same team, D, no other robots or people.
Option C.
Perfect. It is that one. Number 3. Before the robots can play against humans, A, more countries need to get involved. B, they need increased intelligence and better movement. C, they simply need to become more clever. D, the technologies need to apply in areas other than football.
Option B. They need increased intelligence and better movement.
Perfect. It is that one. Number 4. The main goal of the organizers is to A, have the robots playing in the real cup. B, develop technologies that can help in search and rescue. C, make it more fun to watch than real footballers. D, eventually build a robot that can play better than humans.
Option D. No. A.
A? Well, it's actually D. Eventually build a robot that can play better than humans. Why? Because they say here, and the aim is to create by the middle of the 21st century a team of robot footballers that are able to play against the winners of the real World Cup and beat. Es por esta palabrita que la A no es válida. Porque ellos no solo quieren un equipo de robots que jueguen en contra, sino que quieren que los derroten. Quieren que jueguen mejor que ellos. Well, I really hope these advices, like this reading strategy, can help you out in future activities. Realmente espero que este como reading strategic te sirva en actividades futuras. Espero que hayas disfrutado la clase, que hayas disfrutado el proceso de practicar. Te estoy enviando la lista de asistencia y este formatico que nos piden para que evalúes la clase como tal. De igual manera, if you have any comments, any advices, that they are really welcome. Si tienes algún comentario, alguna sugerencia, son más que bienvenidos.
No, teacher. Todo claro.
Okay, so that's everything for today. And I hope I see you again. Bye.
Thank you, teacher. Bye.